When you make it to the top, don't you?
What's good, boys and girls? This your boy King Mark the Fresh Boy. I'm bringing you another video that I'm starting doing the walking trail path that people walk through there. So yeah, so I already cleaned 3 porches. So now I'm doing a walking path trail that you walk back there. So all I'm doing is raking, get all the leaves up, make it look like something. So yeah, so if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, subscribe, turn back on my comment below, and share your friends and family. And do not forget that subscribe button, people, go help the channel a lot. And hit me up on Instagram and TikTok. Show you bros some love. And make sure you watch the video to now to the end. Let's get to it. Start right here first, then work myself to down there with the third porch at. I wonder why I didn't show y'all the other stuff I was doing. All I'm doing is just raping and get all the leaves up and make it look like something. But when I'm about to end this video, but I want to do it in a special way that I'm gonna pull this bush off the ground and make it look like something. All right. So y'all continue watching while I do this, and then I'm gonna show you how back there look like right now, cause how I did too. So it had to be perfect, just may look like something. All right. Now was that was fun? See how I did now? Made it look like something. Whew. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna pick this pile up and call it a day. And they're gonna start off 3 houses. I think 2 houses have been there, 1 house is ain't, but I'm still gonna clean it up and look like something. So that'll be a next video. And turn around, probably find another houses that's the been there and look bad. So yeah. Alright, boys and girls, if you made it to the end of the video, make sure you like, subscribe, turn back on our comment below, share with friends and family, and hit me on Instagram and TikTok, show you brothers some love, and hit that subscribe button. 2 people could help the channel a lot. And I will see y'all next time. Deuces.